This video will explain the bill of material approval process in Xperdyte Manufacturing software. Bill of material accuracy is a critical component of a functional manufacturing system, and it is therefore necessary that an administrator reviews and approves a bill of material before it can be used in production. Xperdyte applies this principle by adopting a rule that whenever a bill of material is created or edited in any way, its approval is revoked. An admin will then be tasked with reviewing the current state of the bill of material, and if appropriate, they will mark it as approved. Now, we will show you the approval process. From the menu, select Add or Maintain BOM. Select the bill of materials that needs to be approved. If everything looks correct with the selected BOM, click Approve BOMs, then confirm by selecting the Approve button. To approve multiple BOMs, select them using the row handles on the left or hold Ctrl and click each BOM. Click Approve BOMs, then select Approve if everything is in order. The history of changes to a bill of materials approval status is visible under that bill of materials log section. The ability to approve a bill of material should only be configured for appropriate admins under the user login permissions. The setting can be changed in the Maintain Users settings. Select the user, tick or untick can approve BOM. If you need help approving bill of materials or setting up permissions, please contact Xperdyte support at info@xperdyte.co.za. Thank you for watching.